Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create professional PowerPoint presentations in just 1 or 2 minutes using Canva AI. And yes, it's completely free. First, just open your Canva and then just go to Canva AI like this. And then just choose designs. And then in here, just choose presentations. And then next, this is the important part. You need to describe your presentations in detail so Canva AI can generate better designs automatically in here. For example, before I already make a prompt about the plant tissue culture presentations. Maybe you can just create any prompt using the ChatGPT or any AI content to help you generate a prompt like this. For example, I already have a prompt like this. And after writing the prompt like this, just tap submit. And then just wait for a moment. Like this. And then in here, Canva will automatically generate or make outline for your presentations. And after you're satisfied with this outline, you can just simply tap on generate designs. Like this. And okay, like this, your presentations is ready. Let's just take a look. Like this, you can see it. I think the results look so good like this, even though there is still a bit of messy designs right here, but I think the results is quite impressive. It has illustrations like this and then icons like this. I think it's cool and pretty impressive. And then next you can just tap on use Canva editor to add these presentations to designs if you want to edit the slides or change text, add animations, and customize the layout even more. And okay, that's it. Super fast, super easy, and perfect for school, college, or work presentations. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.